All right, here's a current commissioning mock-up here. So I got my OBD cable coming out. That's running the splitter to the AccessPort and the CANBUS reader on the Teensy. These cables here are for my oil pressure and temperature sensor. They are feeding to this Arduino. This thing is reading the 5-volt sensors. It is calculating the temperature and pressure. It then sends via a serial command down this yellow wire, which then goes to the Teensy here, which receives that serial command and parses it, as you can kind of see in this weird camera. Parses it, the values, turns them into numbers, and at the same time, I've got my CAN transceiver here hooked into high and low. That is reading the responses that the AccessPort is giving it. So right now I'm just in passive mode. All I'm doing is just reading the CANBUS responses that the AccessPort is making, and I'm parsing them in the background. And from there, it goes to this screen right here, which is now displaying all of the values accurately. Had a lot of weirdness going on. Had to make sure all the grounds are the same. That was the weirdness going on that I was fighting right now. And right now I have it set to update only, well, it has a delay of 100 milliseconds in there right now. What I'm going to actually do here is I'm going to actually go up. I'm going to find this delay. I'm going to turn it off. And we're going to resend the program. And now it's updating in basically real time. I don't have a frames per second counter going on right now, but it's definitely more than 10 hertz. I think, no idea, I can measure it later. But I am now reading this data correctly, which means I can now actually start to install this stuff and truly tidy up all the wiring. But yeah, the current phase is going to be to mount that screen on the dash, and I'm going to be sending oil sensor data with this to the Teensy, and then this thing is super fast, so it's drawing the screen really well, and it's going to be reading the CANBUS data from the AccessPort and giving me the full readout here. With the final next phase I will be sending the CANBUS requests instead of the AccessPort, and that will take this thing entirely out of the equation. And then I can also do some data logging with this guy and basically completely remove the AccessPort from the deal here. But now everything is working. What was happening is I had my step down, my weird little step down here to convert 5 volts to 3. I had it in a different ground than the rest of it, and as soon as I plugged it in, this thing just absolutely freaked out. It would just go to white screen and flash, and I just connected the grounds together, and it is now perfectly happy. So all I have to do is basically make another set of kind of wiring harness, if you will, if you can call it that, and basically start mounting this stuff into the vehicle and doing more wiring tests and actually start driving it around, see what it looks like. Awesome.